The final thing I want to do to sort of modernize this dictionary list is update the look of it. Now, speaking very generally over here, like we do when we talk about style, I would say that the modern web aesthetic, as of you know, mid 2013, is really favoring flat colors, and this whole what I have with the gradients and the text shadow, I guess it's like any effect that you have. It's really great at first, then it just gets used up so much that people are like, ugh, and they want something else. So what I'm going to do now is sort of eliminate this gradient. I don't think we need this gray gradient. This text shadow is going to go, and I'm really going to lighten up on the rounded corners. So obviously none of this is rocket science over here because, what did I have on H2? Text shadow. I'm just going to take it out completely. Let's see. So that gets rid of that. I think here I got text shadow on this H1 over here. There we go. We got rid of that. This gradient, I guess, is not the most offensive, right? But where is it? Right over here. This gradient's not the worst, but yeah, screw it. It's like even screw it completely. I don't care. I'm not impressing anybody with the gradient. Maybe what I'll do is for the background color, I'll kind of I want to have some distinction, so a slight gray is kind of cool. Oh, and these rounded corners, right? Maybe really mellow out the rounded corners from 10 to 3, if not maybe even 1. Ever so subtle, if you even notice it. And maybe, you know what, actually, finally, maybe this background image is kind of, I don't know, kind of looking sort of lame to me. Subtle background image repeating. Just Google something decent over here. Even this is sort of a textured background. I mean, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure maybe by the time people see this video, even this will be old. But yeah, I think that I've been liking these repeating patterns. I've been seeing, which I have. But I said it 2.5 years ago. I got to update right now. But I'll find something subtle, something repeating. And what I would do is try to find something that is actually a ping. And the ping, let's see if this, when you're searching for free stuff like this, a lot of times you'll find it. Yeah, see, this ping is, I suspect, is just these colors. And then if you update the background color, it'll make the tiles in between. It'll make the tiles in between that color. So let's see. So here's what I have, this old texture. I'm just going to pop this in my folder, copy the name, and let's see, where did I have the background image? Right here, textures. So I'll update this piece. And if I, there you go. Much more modernized, right? And just to see if what I'm thinking is right, if I go background color, let me find something, I don't know, crazy over here. I'm not really interested in keeping this color. I guess it's more for, oh, well, that's kind of lame. Well, you see, here's a, yeah, not working. Yeah, you could definitely find more. I mean, I'm fine with the way this ping looks, but when you're for the most flexibility, I would say when you're using these kind of textured images, if you can, or textured or repeating background images, if you could find pings that actually have the texture or the pattern and then they're transparent in certain parts, then that'll give you the ability to change the background color while maintaining that repeating image. So it gives you just more flexibility. In the end, when you're working with all this stuff, you're really looking for flexibility.